This is a box break, build and review of the Mandalorian. We could see the side of the box there with the decal sticker instructions, the top of the box with the artwork, and of course the side. We will open this up so you can see what is inside. We have the instructions on the inner lid. 8 steps, very easy to do. Inside we have 3 plastic bags. Got one right there, the stickers and the base bag, and of course the engine bag and the bottom half, top half of the ship. On the inside of this box we have our assembly instructions which tell you how to cut the parts, and of course that. Here is sprue A1, which is the body, sprue A2, which is the engines and the wings, and of course your base, and finally your stickers. A lot of them. Put them on nicely. You can see the fine detail in this kit right here. It is molded in silver with those wonderful panel lines. This is a good kit. I am Ari Stone with Plastic Model Builder. Let's get to building this model. Some model making madness will make it look pretty. The first step, assemble the main body. It clicks together very easily. Put your glue on wherever you want. I'm not going to show you everything on that, but I will show you how to build this and assemble it. Step 2, we have to put on the bottom right here. Once the bottom is on, we'll put on the rear door, which goes in the back. That's why it is the rear door right here. Just pay attention to how that goes in. You've got this small little piece, which just kind of fits right like that. Goes in. Step 2, we are going to assemble the top of this craft. Comes in 2 pieces. We have this little piece right here, which basically is just there to fit in the end. It's a filler piece with some detail on it. Flip this over. Fits perfectly right on top. You can see this inner piece come out just like so. Step 3, we are putting this onto the aircraft, spaceship, whatever you want to call it. You will see where the engines go on this thing. It's wonderful. Once that is on, we are going to put on the front. Goes just like this. Put the glue on wherever you need. Once that is on, we are going to decal and put the stickers on. That way you can see where they all go. This is how I did it because it was easier for me. We have one rear window sticker that goes right here. There's another one on the other side of the aircraft. Basically everything is doubled. As you see, we have a second window and the 4th one was already on there. This is the top window. They are kind of clear. Remember, subscribe, comment, and like on this. We have that front window there, one right here on the side, and of course the other one. Then there are 2 lower ones which are right here. And that will do it for the window decals. Now we've got the harder ones. We have this right here. Just pay attention to how it goes. It kind of meets up with that rear window, the little design. You can paint yours if you want. I didn't paint mine. This is just an easy little build for a nice little kit. It's a small little model, as you can see by my hands. We've got this big sticker right here. It goes all the way across. Press it firmly down. Here is the other side. I'm not going to waste too much time with that. Putting that sticker, and then the large one goes down immediately after that. They do stick fairly well. Clean your model off. You won't have any problems. So here are our engines. Engines A and Engine B. Each one has 4 pieces to them. The sides, this is step 5 by the way, clicks together just like that. And you will see that outline there. That's where it goes into the aircraft. You can see this has a little registration slot. Presses in very easily. And then the back. This will get a sticker on it as well. And you can see this only goes one way, so it's easy to put on. The sticker for this kind of makes it look like the exhaust is burnt a little bit. It does have some kind of clearer marks on there, and it will line up with this. Go slow with it. If it gets a little off, just kind of pull it. They do stretch for them. I did have to glue mine down, maybe because I didn't properly clean them off. We will put these onto the aircraft just like this. They can only go one way. It's a great design. This is step 6 by the way, and including in step 6 is the guns, cannons, rifles, lasers, whatever you want to call them. So that's a good detail there. Basically you take each piece, press it down, just like that. Goes on great. 2 of these, put them onto the plane spaceship, whatever you want to call it. They only go one way as well, so you know they'll look right. There's one, and the other is. So this is the base. You put on the holder, whatever you want to call that, to the base, and then this. This is a wonderful aircraft. I suggest you go out and get it, molded in silver. Looks wonderful, has good stickers to it, front and back, paint it if you like. Little seams. Subscribe, comment, and like, and until next time, as always, see ya!